cover my eyes so I don't see you, so I breathe in, then I breathe out.
Hi, I am Mandeep Singh representing Hagg Mill Store Private Limited. We are a one-stop solution for your engineering and manufacturing process excellence. What we do is we bring out the best technology on one single platform and try to give you the best productivity while managing your costs. We operate from Noida NCR region, but we cater to all over India. We are directly handling 150 plus companies today, and we are supplying in more than 30 plus cities in India as of now. We have been growing at a phenomenal rate in the past 2 to 3 years. Our tooling technology is one of a kind, wherein we bring in the expertise of our 15 to 20 years of experience of our directors, along with the technological advancement in the carbide and other cutting tools manufacturing areas. With this, I bring to you the total solution of Hagg and a quality conscious brand which you can always find in your pocket. Thank you.
All the pain you put me through, I cover my eyes so I don't see you, so I breathe in, then I breathe out. Breathe in, stop and close my eyes and slow